flows have changed a lot, especially because it's difficult when... I mean, 9 o'clock in the morning, full crowded after I heard a party night, shows a little bit how good this event is, how important it is for them, which was quite surprising. Also about the quality of the questions we received.
I think people are tired of conferences where they go and just listen passively to people speak, and what they're really looking for is the chance to interact, and not just interact but actually co-create. So the chance to come together and create new solutions that they can take away and use is something really unique. I'm really impressed with this event because it feels at the same time very professional, but also very relaxed, very open, very accessible. And the chance to have that mix of students and executives and experts is really nice. You don't find that very often. And so it has a totally different feeling and a really kind of exciting vibe that you don't see at a lot of conferences.
Makes it attractive, and to get the opportunity to talk to the different stakeholders of this business sector is a great opportunity, and I guess is a kind of unique format here developed, and therefore nice idea, but also important idea because never offered anywhere else.